Removing the door cards on the second generation Volvo V40. Start by popping off this cover at the front. And now you've got two T25 torque screws that are just hidden by the handle. Now these door cards come off slightly different to most door cards. You don't need to pry them off, you can just lift the door card up as it's just sat on these pieces here that just slot into the door. Disconnect the tweeter, disconnect the handle cable, and the wiring harness at the bottom here. And now you can access the window mechanism, speaker, and what looks like the passenger door module. Now for the rear door cards, we've got a little trim piece here, and the screws are in the same place, just under the interior door pull. Same again, lift the door card up and away because we've got the speaker sticking out on this side. Got the cable for the door handle, tweeter, and the rest of the harness. And here we've got the window motor on the rear door, speaker, the tweeters attached to the door card, and the rear door module. Thanks for watching, I hope this video has helped. For more videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel and subscribe.